Although yesterday wasn't really great for Shib, it wasn't really great for the market in general. I have to say that nothing has changed about my thoughts for this week. My projection, my bold prediction that we're going to make a 20% move is still on the table, and I still believe that's going to happen for a few reasons. In fact, there's something that is likely to take place this weekend that last time led directly to a 20% move to the upside. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. If you guys want to hear more about what really caused this drop in the market, you guys can check out my ADA video from earlier today, but it was basically longs trying to push a little too hard, retail showing a little bit of capitulation, and luckily we didn't have that bad of a day because institutional money trends stayed the same. They continued to buy and buy and buy, and this is the reason why I have not changed any of my projections for the week. I think that this trend is going to remain consistent. I think that we're doing exactly what we did last week, kind of this early sell-off to start the week, not even as bad as it was last week. And then we're going to start working our way back up here. And this is good for Shib price, right? Because that means this momentum should carry into the weekend. And that brings me to this very important point. Shiba Inu is about to have a golden cross. This would be the second golden cross we've had this bull market cycle. And this is probably going to take place on like Saturday, Sunday, somewhere in there. And the last time we saw this was all the way back in November of 2023. You guys can see that happening December of 2023. You guys can see that happening basically right here when our 50-day moving average crossed our 200-day moving average. And it actually led to a 20% rise in terms of Shiba Inu price. You guys can see that here, right? So right now, this is a very bullish thing that's taking place. This is usually what leads towards much bigger moves to the upside, similar to what we saw all the way in March. Sometimes they take a little bit longer to play out, but it is a very bullish confirmation in terms of an asset, especially right now when we're above all of our moving averages and showing a lot of bullishness. This is a great sign. And in fact, there's something that also took place on the charts that last time led to a 60% move. So we have all the bullish things taking place right now in terms of the charts, guys. So what I'm talking about is actually there's been 3 buy zone flashes back to back to back before we had a significant move to the upside. Okay, the last time we saw this take place was all the way back here in, I think, September. Yeah, September. All the way down here before Shib actually turned around and made this huge, massive 60+% move to the upside. That's kind of where we're at right now. We're in this kind of loading up phase for our next explosive breakout. And this is why I keep talking about, time is running out. This is our last chance. You better have your bags prepared because all the signs, bullish cross, huge buy zone opportunity flashes, institutional money adding, these are all trends that, guys, are predecessors for bigger moves. Everyone will sit and complain. Well, not everyone, but there are people that still sit and complain. Oh, nothing's happening. Oh, it's the same. It's the same until it's not. We are at this point in the market where everything's about to blow. Okay. You're either going to get caught flat-footed or you're prepared. There's 2 approaches that you can take to this. And me personally, I've done a very good job of preparing. It's the reason why I keep talking about these. I know there's some haters that pop into the comments here and there, and the comments aren't for the haters. All right. The comments are for the people that want to know the metrics, that want to see what's taking place so that they are prepared when these moves do take place. These are the ones that do not get caught flat-footed when Shiba Inu does a 4.5x. All right. And I don't want to, I'm not throwing shade at anybody or anything like that, but anybody that watched my channel back here, we talked about these exact moves. We talked about these exact metrics, the things that were taking place that were going to lead to a big explosive move in the market. And the people that paid attention and listened to those metrics while they were taking place, they accumulated, they had their positions set, and they were prepared before the market got slapped by a 4.5x Shiba Inu move over the course of just 7 days. All right. Now we're still prepping. All right. This isn't the exact moment we're going to break out. Nobody knows when it's exactly going to be, but the excitement is picking up. The trends are showing a very similar theme to what they did last fall. They're showing a very similar trend to what they did in February leading into March. And historically speaking, this should be bigger. It should be more aggressive. Wave 3 should be the most explosive leg in the market cycle. It's the one that's going to leave a lot of people behind. It's the one that's going to set new all-time highs in terms of Shib and many assets in the space. And I just hope that everybody is paying attention, and I hope that everybody has had ample opportunity to prepare for this. So I appreciate you guys as always. Watch for this golden cross this weekend. It's a very positive sign in terms of SHIB. And I want to hear if you guys think if we are in fact going to play out in my bold prediction. Are we going to complete this 20% move over the course of the week? As always, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee. I'm a holder just like you guys. Would love to see prices move up, but at the same time, I'm patient. We'll see how it all plays out. Have a great day. Show your love. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.